Over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, S4 0. I'm joined by Mabaso and David.
We're putting it chair. But we need ngoba badlalile.
Yeah.
Kodwa bangabothembele 1-0 ina iGalant.
Yeah.
1-0 ina iGalant 1-0.
Ayina lutho.
1-0 putting it chair akuhlukile nokuthi uthenga imoto eseke nenza ukuthi uthenga imoto. Bese starta le moto la uthi uyeThekwini. Bese uyagadela indlela uthi ufonela umakhinika ethi le moto ayisa-oni. eMontrose usustakile cabanga usitake eMontrose la kugcwele khona abantu abanye bayale igarage li-1. We're putting it chair na. Sundowns ifile. Salo kwaba yimi ngazalwa ngoba umlandeli webhola. Okokuqala ngibona iSundowns ifile. Weputhi ngitshela. Amakula wadlala ibhola ayalwa. Amakula ayalwa kulwa ngisho nabalandeli babo. Nabantu bekathi balapha phansi lapha kulamakula bekade ahleli phezulu. Bababonisile namhlanje ukuthi thina siyalwa. Le 1-0 yabo ngeke basize ngalutho. Ngeke basize ngalo. iSundowns kube ngaba yashabe kumele ikora amagoli amathathu noma 4. Aboniyona. Phuthi ngithele. Bayilanda lengonyama yabo izosithusela kuPSL. iPSL phuthi ayifani nebhola laseAfrika. Ayifani neChampions League.
Kanjani?
Angeke phuthi ufana iChampions League nePSL.
Kanjani?
Ufike kuPSL phuthi safakele elinye ibhasi angeke size silikhokhe izolo. Sahamba sathi silande league phuthi ngitshele ni. Kwabanzima. Ake ngikuhlebela ungatshela abantu abaningi. Saskipha imoto eziningi ezinye zibuyela iSuthu ezinye zibuya le eBotswana. Nalana engakwazi khona sithi Satil League. Bekade balindile ngaphandle athi Pirates ophakamisa ileague. Kuphi lapho gede kwalile njengoba kwalile.
Ngisazoyithatha.
Bhuti ngikutshela amathuba amancane ungakhulumi kakhulu.
Amen.
Stivo. Ngihlale phezulu kwamabasi. Yazi kumnandi ungibone kwazi ukukhuluma namhlanje. Izolo bekunzima. Bekunzima izolo. Kodwa kusazoba nzima embombela. Uyazi kubuhlungu ukuthi ngithi ngihlele endlini ngizwe ngefoni.
Kamabasa.
Yebo kaMabasa noKhoza sebengitshela ukuthi hayi Davik. Uzolanda into zakho. Yebo. Yikho kuzoyenzeka. iSundowns team yama records.
Yes.
Bonke baqalela ukubona ngathi. iSundowns.
Iva.
So le irecord entshe ezoyenzeka.
Yipi?
Balwa bodwa thina singadlali. Yabona? Thina singadlali. Ithi simye kuMabaso. Stivo, to be honest, just going back to today's game, you know what?
Talk, my brother.
This was a do or die for us.
Yes, David.
You know, sometimes people say we mustn't blame the coach.
Yes, David.
You know, I tend to differ from them. I love my coach and I respect him. He's good at what he's doing. But Stivo, sesikugile manje nje sikhehlekile. So phatha somelwa inhliziyo. Sofa Stivo. Uyababona laba abantu. When is this hooliganism gonna stop?
It must stop.
Casablanca, Esperance.
Yes, David.
Now it's AS FAR. And what is our security doing?
Nothing.
3 people who are against millions of people. It's not that we don't want to retaliate. We do want to retaliate. But we respect the law. But when we retaliate, the Eastern and Northern African countries, they are given the benefit of the doubt.
Yes,
they are always looked with a blind eye.
Yes, true.
And then we on this part of the continent, all the eyes are glancing at us.
Yes, true, David.
You know, there's a message which I want to send to President Mr. Motsepe.
What does it say?
The message is just, when is this hooliganism going to stop? Now as we speak, we're speaking about the Senegal and Morocco game.
Yes, David.
If they did not want Senegal to lift up the trophy,
Yes, David.
they should not have allowed the game to continue. They should just have handed the league to them.
Yes, David.
The so-called Moroccans
Yes, David.
applied to play in Europe,
Yeah.
and they were denied.
Yeah.
So they seem to be thinking that they are better than Africans.
Yes, David.
So why do they come here and do such things to us?
Yeah.
Leave Africans to do what Africans they are good at.
Yes, David.
You know what?
Yes, David.
We can't be playing under fear. Now the team has got a thin lead.
Yeah.
Going there, what are you expecting? If you remember what happened years back when we were playing against the team of Algeria,
What happened, David?
the match was abandoned and the team was banned from participating on continental level.
Yes, David.
So until when is CAF gonna act on these people to show them that the law doesn't favor anyone?
Yeah.
We are all Africans.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter what your color is.
Yeah.
So they must respect that.
You must.
They must respect that. They mustn't take us for granted.
Yeah.
And the message must go to our own security.
Yeah.
This is the last time that we just fold our hands when they're doing this.
Yes.
The match will be abandoned next time.
Yeah.
I'm not like urging all supporters, but this has come up to here for us.
Enough is enough.
Nothing has been done. It shows that each and every Arabic team which comes here, they can get away with murder and nothing gets done. It's not right. Going back to the game, I would like to advise my coach. The tactics which he used today, they did not favor him. At least you need to have your leather strikers.
Yes.
At least have Shaluli, have Reiners on the standby.
Yes, David.
Today he couldn't remove Leon because he knew that the striker which was there was not good enough to be brought in to perform at this level.
Yes, David.
So apart from that, I've chosen Sundowns. I'll remain yellow, no matter how hard it is, how beautiful it is, how bad it is.
Yeah.
I'll remain yellow. And as for Pirates, I just want to tell them something. Iligi bazoyikhomba emoyeni beyibuka indiza
Yeah.
size Pitoli.
Yeah.
And the last thing, Steve, these people are making noise. The last thing, congratulations to Steve
Yes.
and Amafenzwe.
Yes.
Finally, our voices have been heard.
Yes.
How can they live with Steve Mutleso and Amafenzwe? You have been doing wonders. Some people are going to World Cup just because of you guys. But have they ever come to you and say, guys, thank you very much. We are wherever we are just because of you. They are full of egos. I respect Bobo.
Yeah.
He always comes and greets.
Always.
And always comes and knows where he started.
Yeah.
So I urge each and everyone who started here that they must come and say, I'm a fans way too. Guys, thank you very much. We are what we are just because of you. You're not just following your pride, coming down and saying, you know what, guys, you have made us who we are today.
Are you talking about Tammy?
No, I'm not talking about anyone. How many people did you? How many people came from here who even don't recognize you? Yes, Steve. There is an extra time always. You know, there's injury time when you're playing the game. So the injury time is. I will close it, Steve, because yesterday when I was at Escotini, which I want to address, as much as we support different teams, people must have a level of respect. Yes, they need also to respect us as soccer fanatics. We all love football. We accommodate to one another. Mwabaso is here. I like him, even if he's supporting Ontombi Gaise. Yes. We have won. The bottom line. The bottom line is whatever he can say, he knows. People will need to show each other respect. And you know what? I will repeat these words. If we put the chairman to lead the Premier League, if we can't cry to him, who are we going to cry to? Nobody. So they need to learn that. And they mustn't threaten us and think that we'll shut up. We'll never keep quiet. And we'll talk. Masandawana, it's not over until it's over. And Sundown, lift it up in Morocco. We are behind you.